È troppo tempo che non siamo soli io e te. Non chiedo luce ormai, quindi il mio sole sarai. Siamo gli stessi qui, decisi liberi. Intanto parlami, se cerchi le parole, provati amo ancora. Dillo anche tu, non chiederei di più. Sei la sola, senza un perché, amo soltanto te. E lo sapevo, ma oggi è quel giorno che aspettai. Cura e pazienza sei, da sempre sogno di noi. Siamo gli stessi, sì, decisi liberi. Soltanto seguimi, se cerchi le parole, provati amo ancora. Dillo anche tu, non chiederei di più. Sei la sola, senza un perché, amo soltanto te.
Lisa, ricevi questo anello, segno del mio amore e della mia fedeltà. Nel nome del Padre, del Figlio e dello Spirito Santo.
Michael, ricevi questo anello, segno del mio amore e della mia fedeltà. Nel nome del Padre, del Figlio e dello Spirito Santo.
you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say, we can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can build our dreams on suspicious minds. So if an old friend I know stops by to say hello, would I still see suspicion in your eyes? Here we go again, asking where I've been. You can't see the tears are real, I'm crying. We can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can build our dreams on suspicious minds. Won't let our love survive, or dry the tears from your eyes. Let's don't let a good thing die. When honey, you know I have never lied to you. Yeah, yeah. We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say, don't you know I'm caught in a trap? I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Don't you know I'm caught in a trap?
Before everything is getting out of control, I'm gonna do a little bit more serious speech. Not too serious, of course, but I'll keep my paper close to me. And then we can start with the extra jokes and stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, family, friends, and frequent flyers. Today we are here to witness the ultimate merger. No, not KLM and ITA Airways, but the love between Michael and Lisa. Now, these two aren't your average couple. No, they are pilots. Which means they can fly literally from their problems and even get points for it. Michael, you're smart, funny. No.
You missed a piece.
Yeah,
That's emotion.
yeah, it is.
Big round of applause for Pascal. Let me hear some noise.
We just start.
It's okay. It's okay. You got it.
Please at least, right? Yeah. Smart, funny. Doesn't make any sense. Here we go. Yeah, Michael. From the boy who once got lost during cycling in Oosterhout to the man now confidently navigating European airspace. I mean, that's growth. And Lisa, what can I say? You're smart, you're funny, there you go. And somehow makes real Italian pasta, even though you're stuck in a Dutch kitchen with only Albert Heijn ingredients. I mean, that's standard, you know. So a round of applause for that one.
Yeah, let me hear some noise.
I mean, together they are the perfect match. They fly planes, they explore the world, they cook like chefs, and they drink wine like it's part of their training. Now, a relationship between two pilots isn't always smooth, guys. There can be turbulence, delays, and occasionally arguments about who gets to be the captain at home. But if everyone can handle a little crosswind, it's gonna be you two guys. So, here's my advice for the both of you. Piano piano, buono buono, molto vino, en een lekkere kroket van de muur bij de Febo. So here's to Michael and Lisa. Raise your glass, please. May your love always fly first class. May your arguments always fly soft landings. And may your wine rack never be empty. Cheers.
Deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny B. Good, who never ever learned to read or write so well, but he could play a guitar just like a ringing a bell. Go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Johnny be good. He used to carry his guitar in a gunny sack, go sit beneath the tree by the railroad track. Old engineer would see him sitting in the shade, strumming with the rhythm that the drivers made. When people passing by, they would stop and say, oh my, but that little country boy could play. Go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Johnny be good. His mother told him someday you will be a man, and you will be the leader of a big old band. Many people coming from miles around to hear you